Sobrang laking show ng Live Aids to mount. Kailangan mo talaga ng energy, time, effort mo to mount this show.
It is something big, but at the same time, based siya sa UP Mascom, based siya sa isang org. Dahil born siya out of passion, out of volunteerism, we are able to create something that is different.
Bagong experience na sa aming mga bagong resident ng Samascom. We are the new Samascomers. We're the new breed of Samascomers. We're going to be there from 12 to 6 a.m.
You write the materials together, you dance together, you produce the show together, sama-sama kayong umiiyak, sama-sama kayong tumatawa, sama-sama kayong naghihirap.
Nagbabonding kami ng kuya ko. Eh kayo ng brother mo.
With the comedy of Live Aid, it's always grounded with the truth, whether it's political, social, or personal. Lagi siyang totoo and it is rooted on empathy.
In fairness, hanggang sa huling show, palakpakan niyo po ang sarili niyo!
Haba-haba ng kwento. Yun lang parang may pumutok ulit.
Nurse! Kailangan natin ng nurse! Pagod na ako. But I love my job. I love my job.
Isa lang po ang story na binabalik-balikan ko, ang story of laughter o ang istoryang dinevelop ng Samascom, ang Live Aids!
Daigdig ko'y minsa'y nabalot ng dilim.
Yes, we have a 50-year legacy, but at the forefront is a new generation of Samascomers who will take us to the next 50 years.
Osong Kiambao is standing 5'10" and from Malate, Malabon City.
Pangunos, ngunit muling hinapos, umagos at tumagos sa lamang ka ng pahaghari.
I want to remember when I look back na I was once part of something great. Kahit tuldok lang ako sa galaxy na sobrang dami kong naambag para sa isang show na hindi lang basta nakapagpatawa ng mga tao, pero nakapag-mobilize din, nakapagmulat din ng